Good evening.
Evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll give you a few problems. We'll do some revision today. Take down solve. Solve. Z is equals to solve. Z is equals to 1 minute. Z is equals to px plus qy plus root of 1 plus p square plus q square. First identify this x plus qy plus root of 1 plus p square plus q square. First of all, identify this.
On type 2.
This is of type 2. This is of the form pp plus, sorry, not pp, px plus qy plus f of p comma q. It is Clairaut's form. Yes or no? For Clairaut's form, you know that the singular solution exists. You should do till singular solution. Okay. So what you do is first differentiate this. What is sorry? If it is type 2? What put p is equals to a and q is equals to b to obtain the complete solution. Therefore, the complete solution is given by, what will be your complete solution? Z is equals to ax plus by plus root of 1 plus a square plus b square. Okay, take this as equation number 1. Take this as equation number 1, or you can take this as equation number 1, given equation, and take this as equation number 2. Okay. Now, what is our aim? This is your complete solution. So you know that for the Clairaut's form, singular solution exists. To find the singular solution, what we should do? Differentiate 2 partially with respect to a. When you differentiate 2 partially with respect to a and equate it to 0, okay, and equate it to 0, what will happen? When you differentiate this partially with respect to a and equate it to 0, you will get by dou z by dou a is equals to x plus, what you will get, ma? Root of 1 plus a square plus b square will become, what is root x differentiation?
1 by 2 root 1 plus a square plus b square
1
into
by
2.
2 into root of 1 plus a square plus b square into 2a you'll get. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
2 and 2 will be getting cancelled, so you can equate it to 0. So this will become x plus a by root of 1 plus a square plus b square is equals to 0. Now you can retain this. Take this as equation number 3. Take this as equation number 3. Similarly, differentiate 2 partially with respect to b. Okay, and equate it to 0. So 2 dou z by dou b equal to 0 implies, so what will be your dou z by dou b? Again the same way. So you'll get dou z by dou b is equals to, you have ax plus by. So I'll get b 1 by root of 1 plus a square plus b square 2 into, so I'll get 2b. So b and b, I mean 2 and 2 will be getting cancelled. When you equate it to 0, you will get b plus b divided by, oh, why did I write b? I'm differentiating with respect to, no one said anything. Differentiating with respect to, what is that? Yeah, y, no more, y. So I'll get y here. So y plus b by root of a square plus b square equal to 0. What is our aim, ma? Actually, what is our aim? Our aim
To
is to
find the value of a and b.
find the value of a and b from the equations 2, 3, and 4. That is our idea. So directly I won't get a and b because I have a into root of 1 plus a square plus b square. So if I find the value of this root of 1 plus a square plus b square, it's more than enough. So what I'll do is first I'll find what's the value of a square. So to find the value of a square, simply I will square the equation number. I can write this 3. I can write this 3 as 1 minute. I can write this as x is equals to minus a divided by root of 1 plus a square plus b square. I'll take this as 3. So what will be your 3 square? So 3 square implies x square is equals to a square divided by, when I square it, I'll get 1 plus a square plus b square. 1 plus a square plus b square. Similarly, the second equation. Okay, from here I can write y is equals to minus b by root of 1 plus a square plus b square. This I can take it as 4. So 4 square. So 4 square will imply y square is equals to b square divided by 1 plus a square plus b square. Why I am doing this? Because I am trying to find the value of 1 plus a square plus b square. That is my idea. Now what I can do is I can find the value of x square plus y square. What will be my x square plus y square? A square plus b square divided by 1 plus a square plus b square, because denominators are common. So I can write it as a square plus b square divided by 1 plus a square plus b square. Now what I want is I want something like I want the value of 1 plus a square plus b square. So to find the value of 1 plus a square plus b square, uh, what I can do is, okay, I'll subtract. Okay, I'll subtract this as 1 minus x square plus b x square plus y square. So similarly here also 1 minus of so 1 minus of a square minus b square divided by a square plus b square, 1 plus a square plus b square divided by 1 plus a square plus b square. So this will be equal to 1 minus x square plus y square. I have, so 1 minus of x square plus y square minus. So 1 minus of x square plus y square is minus of this. Now take LCM, I'll get 1 plus a square plus b square minus a square minus b square divided by 1 plus a square plus b square. So plus a square minus a square plus b square minus b square will be getting cancelled. So I will get the value of 1 plus a square plus b square is equals to 1 by 1 minus x square minus y square. Is it clear? So I'll get the value of 1 plus a square plus b square as a 1 minus x square plus y square. Actually, what we want root of 1 plus a square plus y square. So this will be equal to, when I take root, I'll get 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square minus y square. Now, what do you understand? You have got the value of root of 1 plus a square plus y square in terms of x. In terms of x. Now, what is our aim? Our aim is to find the value of a and b. So from this, I'm getting x is equals to minus a by this. So I've got the value of this. I can write x into this is equals to minus a. Okay, so 3 implies. So I can write it as 3 implies. What is my 3 ma? 3 is x is equals to minus. X is equals to minus a by root of 1 plus a square plus b square. Yeah, 1 plus a square plus b square. From this, x minus of x into root of 1 plus a square plus b square is equals to a. Now you know the value of root of 1 plus a square plus b square. Substitute that. So what will be the value of a? A will be equal to minus x by root of x root of 1 minus x square minus y square. So now you have got the value of a. And similarly, from the equation number 4, equation number 4. What is your equation number 4? This is your equation number 4. 4 is here. Okay. From 4, you can write this as y into root of 1 square plus b square is equals to b. Write it as minus y into root of 1 plus a square plus b square is equals to b. Yeah. So minus y into this value, you know that it is 1 minus x square minus y square is equals to b. So the value of b is equals to minus y by this one. So now you have got the value of a, you have got the value of b. Okay. Now what is our aim? Once you know the value of a and value of b, you can just directly go substitute in equation number 1, because we have got the value of a Equation number 2. We have got the value of a, we have got the value of b, we have got the value of root of 1 plus a square plus b square. Now we will substitute it. So equation number 2 implies z is equals to ax. What is my a? My a is minus x by root of 1 minus x square minus y square plus I have ax plus by. So ax, so x is already there. So ax, okay, ax into plus by. So we'll get y into y by root of 1 minus x square minus y square, okay, plus root of 1 plus a square plus b square I have, correct? Yeah, root of a square 1 plus a square plus b square. What's the value of root of 1 plus a square plus b square? 1 by root of 1 minus a square plus b square. So 1 by root of 1 minus x square minus y square. Now take LCM. Once you take LCM, you'll get z is equals to 1 minus x square minus y square divided by root of 1 minus divided by root of 1 minus x square minus y square. The numerator I can write it as root x into root x. What will be the value of z? Z will be equal to root of 1 minus x square minus y square. Squaring on both sides, you get z is equals to 1 minus x square minus y square, or you can write it as x square y square plus z is equals to 1. This is your required equation. You understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So according to the problem, we have to move. Because in this problem we are not able to separate a separately, y separately, b separately. For that, first we find the value of the root. From the value of that, using that value, we find the value of a and we find the value of b, and just eliminate the a and b from the complementary function and to obtain the singular solution. So this is your, which is the singular solution of the problem. Okay. So now I'm going to give you a problem. You are going to do it. Is it clear? You can just try this. Z is equals to px plus qy plus p square q square. Tell me the value of a and b first. Find the value of a and b. So again, it is Clairaut's form. So put p is equals to a and q equal to b. And come on, find the value of a and b and give it to me. What will be your complementary function, ma? Z is equals to
X
ax
plus
by
by plus
plus
a
a
square b
square
square.
plus b square. Okay. Now differentiate this partially with respect to a and partially with respect to b and equate it to 0. Find dou a, sorry, dou z by, find dou z by dou a and equate it to 0. Find dou z by dou b equal to 0. So what you're getting from dou z by dou a? What you'll get from dou z by dou a? X plus 2ab square is equals to 0. From this, try to find the value of a. What will the value of a? 2ab square equal to minus x. A will be equal to minus x by 2b square. Minus x by 2b square. Similarly, differentiate this partial with respect to b. When you differentiate it partial with respect to b, you will get y is equals to, sorry, y plus a square into 2b. Y is equals to a square plus 2b equal to 0. Okay, from this, what will be the value of b? B will be equal to, or 2a square b is equals to minus y. What will be the value of b? B will be equal to minus y by 2a square. Minus y by 2a square. Now you can substitute this b value in a and get the purely value of a or b. You'll get the purely value of b. You can take this as equation number 2. You can take this as equation number 3. Substitute 3 in 2. So what will happen? You substitute 3 in 2, you'll get a is equals to minus x by 2b square, right? 2b square. Okay, 2b square minus x by, what's the value of b, ma? Minus y by 2a square. Minus y by 2a square, the whole square. Simplify this. Minus x by 2 into y square by 4a power 4. This and this will be getting cancelled. We'll get 2a power 4x minus divided by y square. Why a is coming? What did I do? Okay, fine. The left hand side I have a. Okay, left hand side I have a. So I will retain all a on the other side, and other things on the other side. So I'll get a equal to minus 2a power 4x divided by y square. Y square. So from this, what will be the value of a? So we'll get a cube
Negative cube root of y square by 2x.
minus 2x, no ma?
Outside minus will be outside.
Correct, only no?
Yeah, ma'am. Like,
Yeah.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Like,
A will be
cube root
equal
of ma'am.
minus of y square by 2x whole power 1 by 3. Okay, now you have got the value of a. Similarly, find the value of b. Similarly, find the value of b.
It's x square by 2. I just inside the cube root.
Similarly, find the value of b. B means what you have to do. 3 is here. Substitute 2 in 3 here. Substitute 2 in 3. Substitute 2 in 3. So what is your 2? A equal to minus x by 2b square. Equal to minus x by 2b square. What is your 3? B equal to minus y by 2a square. But you can directly substitute the value of a in this and get the b. That is also better. Why do you want to complicate it? What is my a? A is x minus x by 2b square and my b is minus y by, what was the value of b, ma? Minus y by 2a square. Square. Now what is my aim? My aim is to find the value of b. Find the value of b. So I'll get b is equals to minus y by 2 into minus x by 2b square. So 2 and 2 will be getting cancelled. So I'll get b cube is equals to plus y by x. That's all. So simple it is coming.
No, ma'am, I'm getting y is x square by 2y.
What you are getting? X square by 2y.
What
What you
that to inside cube root, ma'am.
minus x square by 2y whole power 1 by 3, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, ma'am. But minus will be
That
outside.
is that I'm not doing. Did I do? Turning the pages is too irritating. Yeah. What I've got here. I wrote it A correctly, ma. Minus x by 2b square. What is my
And
b?
it is b square, ma'am. You didn't square it, I think so.
Where, ma? Oh, this is square. Okay. Correct. B square. So I'll get b is equals to minus y by when I have square, I'll get x square by 4, not 2. 2b power 4.
Yes, ma'am.
B power 4. So this
Yes, ma'am. Now you'll
implies
get it, ma'am.
b is equals to minus y by x square into b power 4. So this will be getting cancelled. You get minus x square by y is equals to b cube. So b is equals to minus x square y. B is equals to minus x square y whole power 1 by 3.
Ma'am, you forgot the 2, ma'am.
Where my left of 2? Yeah, 2 is there.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, just
Two.
take it with y, ma'am.
Yes.
That will come
Correctly,
with y.
it is coming correctly. Minus x square by 2y. Yes, whole power
Yes,
1 by 3. So you can take that minus sign outside and keep. Yeah, now you've got the value of a and b. Substitute it in z and tell me the final value. What is your z? Z is equals to ax plus by plus a square b square. This is your equation number 1, right? So z is equals to, you got the value of a. What's the value of a? A is minus y square by 2x whole power 1 by 3. Minus y square by 2x whole power 1 by 3 into a. B into minus you have x square by 2y. Why I'm writing a here? Sorry, x I should write. Okay, x will be there, Nama. Correct. A into x, A I have got it, and b into y. So I'm writing the value of b into y. Okay, b into y plus a into b. A into b minus to minus, this will become this one. So a into b whole power 1 by 3. This also. So I'll get y square by 2x into x square by 2y whole power 1 by 3. Whole power 1 by 3, correct? Oh, a square into b square. Okay, whole power 2 by 3. So square, if you do it, I'll get I'll get 4 4x square 4y square. Yes. Now this will become x square y square by 16. Okay, so z will become minus y square by 2x whole power 1 by 3 into x minus x square by 2y whole power 1 by 3 into y. The last term will become x square y square by 16 Noma whole power 1 by 3. Anything you can simplify? You can take cube.
For the first and the second term, we can take x inside that bracket.
Okay, what is advantage if we take x inside that bracket?
And then x will get cut with x cube, and then both the terms will become same. So you'll get minus 2
Z.
x square y square by 2, the whole cube root.
Yeah, ma'am, you're saying correct, ma'am. You will get x,
So
y,
x
b
power
whole.
1 by 3 minus 1. 3. 1 minus 1 by 3 is how much, dear? 2 by
2
3,
by
right?
3.
So you
Yes.
get y power 2 by 3, x power 2 by 3, correct?
Yes.
Sorry. Shall I write it like directly? So I can write it as y power 2 by 3 divided by x power 2 by 3 I'll get, correct? What about the 2? 2 will be 2 power 1 by 3. What is, I can write it as, okay, I can write it as 2 power 1 by 3 itself. What about the next term? I think I'll get x power 2 by 3 again by 3 into y power 2 by 3. That's the advantage. There is no advantage here, right? So here I'll get xy divided by uh, divided by 4. Xy divided by 4 whole power 2 by 3. Correct? Yes. Anything's getting simplified, you can simplify. Because you have
How
seen
did x 2 raised to 2 by 3 come in denominator, ma'am? It should come in numerator, ma'am, because upper term has higher degree.
x is in the power. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. X power minus 1 by 3 plus x. Yes, ma. Yes. What you're saying is correct.
And then the first two terms become the same.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, I'll write it. Sorry. So I'll get minus xy. Shall I write it like this?
Yes, ma'am.
2 power 1 by 3, no?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
then xy power 2 by 3 by 2 power 1 by
Same term.
3. So same term 2 times of 2 power 1 by 3. So I'll get minus 2 into 2 power minus 1 by 3 into xy power 2 by 3 plus xy power 2 by 3 divided by 4 power 2 by 3. That's all. So
Ma'am, actually you can simplify it to a single term, ma'am, but that's going to be hectic.
2 by 2. So I'll get 1 minus 1 by 3, 3 minus 1, 2 by 3. So again, I'll get 2 by 3 only here also. What dear? Something you said.
Ma'am, I was saying that it
I
will
can take
simplify to a
x.
single
Yeah,
term.
yeah.
And we'll
Yes.
get a
I
single
can
term at
take,
the
yeah,
end.
single term only will get correct only. I can take xy power 2 by 3 commonly outside. So what will be the balance? This term only, so minus 2 by 2 power 1 by 3 according to you and 1 by 4 power 2 by 3. This you can simplify this. That's all. Once you simplify this, your answer, I think, let me check the answer. Just check it out whether you are getting minus 27 by 16 into x square y square z power 3. Simplify it.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Getting the same thing. Yeah.
X square y square you will get 1 by 3 will go
Yes,
off
ma'am.
that
Getting the
side.
same.
What you are getting when you simplify this, you are getting this term.
Ma'am, I got z is equal to 3 into 2 power minus 4 by 3 into x square raised to 2 by 3.
X square is to 2 by 3 only. That is only z is equals to. You can take cube root on this side and you'll get this. That's it.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Got that.
That's all. So you can simplify till the end if it is getting simplified. So this I just gave these sums for you to practice because I didn't do this type of sums in the class. Okay. Then I think that's it. All the other things you can do. So just I'll give you one crux of this one. So you have in module 3, you have half of the module 3. What are there in the half of the module in the module 3? Residues, singularities, poles we already did there. Poles, residues and singularities. So this is left out in the module 3. Then in module 4, you have integrations. So in the integrations, normal complex integrations you have. Other than that, quasi-integral formula for derivatives. Then
Residue theorem.
Cauchy residue theorem. Yes, Cauchy residue theorem. Other than that, in module 5, you have integrations. That is type 1, type 2, and type 3. Type 2 and type 3. What are these types? Real definite integrals. Correct? Real
Yes,
definite
ma'am.
integrals. That is integrals of the form 0 to 2 pi, integrals minus infinity to infinity. So type 2 and type 3 will be of the similar solving. This will be of a different solving. That's all. So you remember you have to substitute z is equals to e power I theta, cos theta is equals to z plus 1 by z, sin theta is equals to z minus 1 by z, and other things. All those things you have to do. That is here there in the module 4. In module 5, what all I have taken is I have not completed the entire module 5. No, I have not completed. Yes. So what all I have taken is higher order non-linear PDE, then linear PDE, that is Lagrange's multiplier method. Lagrange's multiplier method. Other than that, finding the solutions. These all are finding the solutions. Then forming the PDEs. Formation of PDEs. So this was the starting topic. Formation of PDEs. By eliminating arbitrary constant, by eliminating arbitrary functions. Is it clear? So these all are there for your CAT 2. Anyone has any other doubts? We'll wind up here. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Paper will be simple only, don't get confused. So what all you have learned, just recollect it.
How
Just
many
see
questions is there? Number
as
wise?
usual.
8787.
Yes, 8787. 87 will also have subdivisions.
Ma'am, already because of this new update, since we have to upload our selfie and then we have to upload our answers, and it will take a few times. So,
What
ma'am,
is that new?
can you?
I don't know all those things. What is that?
Oh, okay. So, ma'am, we have to upload our selfie before uploading our answers. So it will take time. So is
What is
it
big deal
possible
in
so that
taking? You are very much used to taking selfies each and every moment, right? Uh,
ma'am, not while exams,
uh,
right?
No,
now you
I'm
are
not.
Ma'am,
now get
that's
now
common,
listen
ma'am.
listen.
But in
It is
exam,
very
we'll get
common
some
now.
tension, na, ma'am.
No, it is very common now. In the exam also you have that similarity index. Very nice. No, it is good thing
Ma'am,
only.
that is very nice,
Before
but
that, we should
sometimes
upload our answer, ma'am.
That is only VIT. See how lively they are. So every day you people keep on taking selfies. Now take selfies during the exam also. So
I'm
nice.
very supportive of VIT
we
in
hate
this
selfies,
matter,
man.
but not only in exams, right? We can do selfies in everywhere we can want, but exams is a serious situation, right, ma'am? So,
Yes.
ma'am, is it possible that you can reduce the subparts of the questions? Like you are saying
Nothing I
that
can do, dear.
8787 and
Everything
then
is
also the
over.
sub.
Already over. Before the
Oh,
semester result, all the chemistry question paper is set. You cannot expect one day before the exam too. It's not like I'm posting today and getting to. Everything is being done systematic ways. Nothing is in our hands. So
and
I can only
problems
tell
from
you
module 4 will also come, right?
all the modules will be covered.
Module 4, module 5, and module 3.
Yes, all the modules will be covered.